this beautiful hog sitting up here. First of all, thank you guys for coming out to Q in the Lou. This is an awesome festival. You guys are amazing. We have Brad and Brooke from the Shed, Ocean Springs, Mississippi, world champion whole hog cookers.
This is a 167-pound hog, straight from Missouri. And our pride and joy is whole hog, and we are the current whole hog world grand champions. We won Memphis in May in 2015, and then again this year.
Hey, y'all give it up for that. I mean, come on, yeah. So the main thing about competitions is, you know, they want to see what the loin looks like, what the ham looks like, and then the shoulder. So when we get in here, you know, all the meat's nice and tender.
We're gonna plate up some samples that everybody get fed by the Shed. We smoke on about 250, 275. So we use a mix of pecan wood, some apple wood, and some other great flavors to really get that flavor profile from the smoke, from the wood, but also with the color. The color is super important.
Check this out. So tenderloin of the hog, the loin, that's what it's supposed to look like. What I'm looking for when it comes to this loin is 164 degrees is really where I'm at. All right, here we go. So normally everybody, I mean, we all eat bacon. It's got a nice little slice to it. So normally the slices would be this way. With the whole hog like this, we're able to just grab the bacon. So y'all go ahead, ooh and ah, all right?
Get it.
You ready? Oh! You're welcome, buddy. We're on like 225 degrees, low and slow, overnight. The final look that the judges get is actually the beautiful color of this hog. Oh, are you back? Dude, this is like your 7th time. I'm just saying, ladies and gentlemen, thank goodness for the Green Mountain Grill stage and for us to be able to bring a whole hog up here.
Thank y'all so much for hanging out and listening.